Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this video I will explain a research study titled The Gender Role Content of Children's Favorite Television Programs and its links to their gender-related perceptions. Written by Jennifer S. Aubrey and Christine Harrison and published in 2004. The first material is background. This study looks at how boys and girls are shown in children's favorite TV shows and how that affects the way children think about gender. TV is a big part of children's lives. They spend many hours watching it every week. But the problem is many shows still show boys and girls in very different ways. Let's learn more about what the researchers found. Okay, the second material is research objectives and questions. The purpose of this research was to study the gender content in children's favorite television programs. The researchers also wanted to see how this content affects children's thinking about boys and girls. So, they asked two main questions. The first question is, how are boys and girls shown in kids' favorite TV shows? The second question is, do these shows change how children think about what boys and girls can or should do? The third material is methodology. The study included 94 children aged 5 to 12 years. Each child was asked to name their two favorite TV shows. The researchers then analyzed the characters in those shows. They look at the gender, behavior, actions, and appearance of the characters. Later, the children answered a questionnaire to show how they thought about gender roles, such as what boys and girls are good at or how they should behave. The fourth material is key findings. The results show some important patterns. Most of the characters in the shows were boys. Boy characters were shown as active, strong, and important. Girl characters were fewer and they were usually quiet or focused on how they look. Also, children who often watched these types of shows were more likely to believe in strong gender stereotypes. The fifth material is discussion. This tells us that TV has a big influence on how children see the world. When TV always shows boys as leaders and girls as followers, kids may start to believe that is how real life should be. So, media does not only entertain, it also teaches. That's why it's important to talk about these messages and think about what we're watching. In conclusion, this research shows that TV can shape the way children think about gender roles. We need more shows that show boys and girls as equals, smart, brave, kind, and active, no matter their gender. And it's very important for parents and teachers to help children choose shows that support healthy and fair ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of gender representation in media and how it can affect young viewers. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.